Uttar Pradesh, the land where history speaks through its monuments, where spirituality flows through the Ganges, and where artistry lives in every weave, stitch, and stone. A land that has shaped India's cultural soul for centuries. It was for the vast and vibrant state of Uttar Pradesh that the Indian Navy car rally set out, an expedition of purpose, exploration, and outreach.
We are all very excited, and it is going to be a very fun trip, and it is adventurous trip, and we are all looking forward to it a lot. And we are really a lot of fun which is planned. So, and along with that, we are going to get a lot of exposure to the local culture, traditions, and hands, skill, etc., which is going to happen over there. So, really looking forward to it. And so, Shano Varna.
अभी हमने इंडियन नेवी कार रैली टाइटल फ्रॉम सीज टू द हार्टलैंड फ्लैग ऑफ की है, जिसमें ये जर्नी के दौरान ऑफकोर्स जो नेवी की एडवेंचर स्पिरिट है उसको दर्शाएंगे और नेवी आउटरीच प्रोग्राम में भी बढ़ावा देंगे। इस दौरान ये स्टूडेंट्स से मिलेंगे, स्कूल्स में, कॉलेजेस में, एनजीओ से मिलेंगे, लोकल आर्टिसंस है जो उत्तर प्रदेश में, उनसे मिलेंगे और उनको बताएंगे कि नौसेना क्या करती है। उनसे सीखेंगे भी कि वो क्या करते हैं और जो भी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं उसको फिर हम अपनी नौसेना में इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे।
A convoy of 10 vehicles traversed the heartland of India, carrying the Navy's values inland: discipline, unity, and service beyond the seas. The first stop in the journey was Agra, where the team stood before the timeless Taj Mahal and the Grand Agra Fort, their stories of love and resilience unfolding through a mesmerizing light and sound show. Beyond monuments, Agra revealed its living heritage. The team immersed themselves in the delicate marble inlay work, Pachikari, experienced the artistry of leather craft, admired the finesse of carpet weaving, and witnessed the opulence of Royal Zardozi embroidery. In equal measure, their hearts were touched at Ek Pahal NGO, where they saw in detail the power of compassion and community service in action.
धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ कि आपने इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम पुटअप किया है कि हमें सचमुच में जोश आ गया। एंड मैंने बहुत खूबसूरत प्रोग्राम देखे हैं, यहाँ बाहर बहुत ही अच्छे परफॉर्मेंसेस देखे हैं, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू जितना आप लोगों ने प्यार से किया है शायद वो मुझे मैंने कभी नहीं देखा।
convoy then rolled into Lucknow, the city of grace and culture. Here, at the historic residency, they retrace the steps of India's struggle. But the true heartbeat of Lucknow lay with its people.
Today, we have covered the veterans outreach where we have interacted with our naval veterans as part of our outreach program. As we all know, skill development is the backbone of self-reliant India. So we will be meeting the local artisans wherein we will be seeing how they are making chicken curry, the RE designs, and how they are utilizing their own right resources and their innovation and helping in the growth and development of our nation.
At the Seva workshop, the team engaged with women artisans of chikankari who, stitch by stitch, are overcoming societal barriers to carve their path to financial independence. Their resilience was as inspiring as the craft was delicate. The journey reached its high point in the eternal city Varanasi. A temple tour led the team through the divine corridors of Kashi Vishwanath and other sacred shrines before they stepped into Madanpura, the oldest weaver quarter, where looms still sing songs of tradition. At the Meera Foundation, they were greeted with radiant smiles of children from underprivileged communities, reminders of hope and possibility. Their time in the city ended with a spiritual crescendo, a cruise ride on the Ganges, witnessing the evening aarti as chants and lamps lit up the river.
The Indian Navy and the Nava Outreach Car Rally of 2025 has been an adventure of a lifetime for me. To travel through the heartlands, carrying the Indian Navy's and India's message of inclusivity, social outreach, community welfare, women empowerment, and most importantly, nation building has been a privilege for me.
It's an honor and pride to be part of this car rally, which embodies Navy's reach to the heartland of India. To meet the youth, the proud veterans, Veer Naris, and the NGOs doing inspiring work was the highlight of this trip for me.
It's been a wonderful and learning experience for all the women in this rally. We visited the city of Agra, Lucknow, Banaras and Kanpur, which we being in the Navy have not been exposed to before. We got deep insights into the looms of Banaras, the Zardozi and marble inlay work of Agra, the chicken shadow work embroidery industry of Lucknow, leather work at Kanpur, and it all has been a great learning experience for all of us.
Along the way, the journey was also about shared laughter, local flavors, bonds of friendship, and a little retail therapy that added warmth to the mission. The Indian Navy car rally left behind more than tracks on the highways of Uttar Pradesh. It left behind stories, memories, and a reaffirmation that when we move together with purpose, we carry the Navy spirit of service far beyond the seas into the very heart of India.
So all in all, this rally was a complete experience for everybody. I think everybody was a part of this rally will never ever forget this experience, and that is how we are supposed to be having these kind of car rallies. Should be a complete mission. Thank you very much.